All right, this is for my nephew-in-law, Rinko. Rinko, next time you come down, I got this too. Perfect. I got this mastered to almost perfection, if I could use that word. For all you crayfish or crawfish, it depends on how you want to pronounce it. Look at this. My secret weapon? Yes, sir. This is the sauce. The sauce. That's all I'm going to say. The sauce. Fire. Joy. Get the recipe. Make some for your man. Secret weapon. See that? Yes, sir. Go get you some. Delaware Chicken Farm off US, off of 441 and Sheridan. Or Sterling, may I say. Is it Sheridan? Sterling? Google it. Delaware Seafood and Meat Market. Alright, y'all see it. Silence. Attention, silence in the room and hear the perfection of this crawfish or crayfish. It's not a ball, it's just simply that. Crawfish. Seasoned to perfection. Look at that. You see that? I know you see that. I know you see that Scotch green pepper. Cannot wait. Let it soak in, baby, and we are ready. Look at that. Slowly cooking. Yes, sir.